Today, we're comparing two notable project management tools, Monday.com and Plutio. Both are designed to streamline work processes, but they differ in various aspects. Let's dive into the comparison to help you make an informed decision. Monday.com offers a wide range of features like task management, time tracking, and automated notifications. It also provides visual project timelines, which makes it easy to track progress. On the other hand, Plutio offers similar features, but also includes invoicing and proposals, making it more suitable for freelancers and small agencies. Monday.com's pricing starts at $8 per user per month, while Plutio's pricing starts at $15 per month. However, Plutio's pricing is not dependent on the number of users, which could be a cost-effective solution for larger teams. Monday.com is known for its clean, colorful interface and its easy-to-understand visualizations. Plutio, while not as visually striking, is straightforward and easy to navigate. User reviews suggest that both platforms have a moderate learning curve. Monday.com integrates with a wide range of apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Trello. Plutio, on the other hand, doesn't offer as many integrations, but it does have a powerful API that allows you to connect with other tools. Both platforms perform well under heavy workloads. Users report that Monday.com's speed and reliability are impressive, even when managing large projects. Plutio also has good performance, but some users have reported occasional slowdowns during peak times. Both Monday.com and Plutio take security seriously. They use encryption to protect data, and both have robust policies for data backup and recovery. However, Monday.com has a slight edge as it is ISO certified. Monday.com offers 24/7 support with an impressive response time. Plutio, while offering good support, doesn't operate round the clock. If immediate assistance is a priority for you, Monday.com has the advantage here. While both platforms are robust, Monday.com edges out Plutio in this comparison. It offers a wider range of features, more integrations, better performance, and 24/7 support. However, Plutio's pricing structure could be more cost-effective for larger teams. Thank you for watching this comparison of Monday.com and Plutio. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this.